So we have done in the last stanza that for the first time, Derry shared something with Mr. Lamb. He said, everyone who meets me, he's afraid of me. Even if when I look at my face in the mirror, I also get afraid. So Mr. Lamb says, no, not the whole of you, not of you. Derry said, yes, I get. Mr. Lamb, later on, when it's a bit cooler, I will get the ladder and a stick and pull down those crab apples. Now, Mr. Lamb has changed the subject. Terry wants to tell him about his face and the people are afraid of him, but he started changing the subject. He said, I'll get a ladder, I'll get a stick, and I'll pull down the crab apples. They are ripe for it. I make jelly, and I make jelly of it. It's a good time of year, September. Look at them, orange and golden. That's magic fruit. He said, well, this is September. It's a very good time for these apples to be ripe, and they are of orange and golden color. What a magic fruit! I often say, but it's best picked and made into jelly. And best thing is to pick him and make jelly of it. You could give me a hand. He said, when I'll do this, you can also help me. Derry, what have you changed the subject for? Now Derry was telling something about himself and Mr. Lamb started talking about something else. So he said, why did you change the subject? People always do that. Why didn't you ask me? Why do you do what they all do and pretend it isn't true and isn't there? So why are you doing like other people do? They also do same with me. Why don't you ask me something? In case I see you looking and mine and get upset. I'll tell you, you don't ask me because you are afraid. He said, maybe you are thinking that if you will ask me, I'll get upset and this and all. But don't worry, you ask me, I will tell you all the things. It looks like you are afraid of asking. You want me to ask? Say so then. I don't like being with people, any people. So Daddy said, I don't like to be with anyone. Mr. Lamb, I should say to look at it. I should say, you got burned in a fire. He said, I can see your face. It looks like you got burned in fire. Daddy, not in fire. I got acid all down that side of my face and it burned it all away. It ate my face up. He said, it's not because of fire, it is because of acid. And this acid has burned my face. Ate my face and it ate me up because we can understand the pain of this story is related to the acid attack survivor. You must have seen that movie also, Chapak, where many cases are found in India and the movie is also made for that acid attack. What happens after that, there this acid attack survivor, his life totally changes because their face becomes very dirty and people comment on them and they cannot live a happy and good life. So same thing was happening with him also. He said, it ate me up, it ate me also, and now it's like this and it won't ever be any different. He said, it's same now, it will not be different. He's sharing with Mr. Lamb. No, aren't you interested? Daddy said no. So Lamb said no. So Daddy is asking, aren't you interested in listening these all the things? Mr. Lamb, you are a boy who came into the garden. Plenty do. I'm interested in anybody. He said, you are the boy who came in my garden. So many people come and I'm interested in anybody. Anything. There is nothing God made that doesn't interest me. He said, I get interested in everything. Every person, everything. There is nothing around me which doesn't make me get interest in that. Look over there, over beside the far wall. What can you see? He said, look there, beside the far wall. What can you see? Daddy, rubbish. Mr. Lamb, rubbish. Look, boy, look. What do you see? He said, look again. What do you see? Just grass and stuff, weeds. He said, I see just grass and stuff and weeds. Weeds, weeds are that unwanted plants which grow with the crop and all. Mr. Lamb, some call them weeds. If you like, then a weed garden that there is fruit and there are flowers. He said some call them wheat and there are fruits also and there are flowers also and trees and herbs also. All sorts, everything is there. But over there weeds and there are weeds also. I grow weeds there. He said, I grow weeds there. Generally, people don't grow weeds. Whenever they see weeds are there, these unwanted plants are there, they pull them and they throw. Why is one green growing plant called a weed and another flower? So Mr. Lamb said, see, both are same. Both are green plant and one plant is called weed and another plant is called flower. What's the difference? It's all life. He said, what is the difference? Both are same. It is all life. Growing, same as you and me. He said, it's like life. Both are same. Both are green color, but one is called weed, one is called flower. He wanted to tell him about that maybe they are different. Okay, maybe the plants are different and people call them weed and then flower, but actually they are made by God and everything is beautiful, and that's called life. We have something, some people get some, all the things in life, some people don't get it, and everybody has different life, but that's life. Okay, we are not the same. He said, we both are same, you also and me also, but daddy said we are not the same. Mr. Lamb, I am old, you are young. You've got a burnt face, I have got a tin leg. He said, we both are same. I am old, you are young, and you have got a burnt face, and I have got a tin leg, because his one leg was of tin. Not important. You are standing there, I am standing here. What's the difference? He said, you are standing there, I am standing here. What is the difference in that? Daddy, why have you got a tin leg? He said, why have you got a tin leg? Tell me. Mr. Lamb, real one got blown off years back. Lammy Lamb, some kids say. He said, so many years ago, my one leg blown off. And some kids call me Lammy Lamb. Haven't you heard them? He said, didn't you hear that? You will Lammy Lamb. It fits, doesn't trouble me. He said, yes, it fits me also, Lammy Lamb, and it doesn't trouble me. I don't have any problem with it. Daddy, but you can put on trousers and cover it up and no one sees. He said, but difference is that you can put trousers and you can cover your leg and nobody will see it. They don't have to notice and stare. So daddy said, we are not the same. You can wear trousers and your leg will be hidden. Nobody will be able to see it or notice it or stare it. But my face is all burnt. People see it, stare it, and make different type of expression. Mr. Lamb, some do, some don't. They get tired of it in the end. There's plenty of other things to stare at. He said, some do, some don't do. But there are so many other things to stare at, not only my leg or your face. Daddy, like my face. Mr. Lamb, like crab apples, or the weeds, or a spider climbing, or silken ladder, or my tall sunflower. Is it? There are so many things we can stare at. There are apples, there are weeds, there are spider climbing, there are silken ladders are there, sunflowers are there, different type of things all around the nature are there to stare at. Daddy, things. Mr. Lamb, it's all relative. Beauty and the Beast. He said it's just like Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast is a book also and movie also you must have seen. And what happens in Beauty and Beast you will get to know now. Daddy, what's they supposed to mean? You tell me. Daddy, you needn't think they haven't all told me that fairy story before. He said many people have told me this story before. You need not to tell me. It's not what you look like. It's what you are inside. Handsome is as handsome does. He said it's not that I have told you many times, it's not that physical beauty that counts. Handsome person is a person who does handsome things. Beauty loved the monster's beast for himself, and when she kissed him he changed into a handsome prince. So Beauty, that girl, loved the person who was a monster. He was a beast, and when the girl kissed him he became a handsome prince. Only he would not. He would have stayed a monster beast. I won't change. So he said it's so he was trying to tell him that body shaming we know all. Some are dark, some have dark complexion, some are tall, some are they don't have good face. Okay, so physically maybe people may not be good, but we should not look at their faces and physical beauty. We should see that from inside how the person is, which type of human being he is. Mr. Lamb, in that way, no, you won't, Daddy, and no one will kiss me ever, only my mother, and she kisses me on the other side of my face. He said even no one kiss me also, because you can understand how much pain he has inside. No one loves me, no one kisses me, nobody plays with me. Even my mother also, when she kisses me on another side of my face, and I don't like my mother to kiss me. She does it because she has to. And he said I don't like it, but she does it because she has to, because after all she's my mother. Why should I like that? I don't care of anybody. I don't care if nobody ever kisses me. He said I don't care if anybody kisses me or not, loves me or not. My mother kisses me, and that also in another side of my face. Ah, but do you care if you never kiss them? What? Girls, pretty girls, long hair and large eyes, people you love. He said Do you also care of that you will also never be able to kiss them, beautiful girls, pretty girls with long hair and long eyes, and people whom you love? Daddy, would have let me not know one. He said, no, nobody would let me do that. Who can tell? He said, who can tell then? I won't ever look different. When I am as old as you, I will look the same. I'll still only have half a face. He said, I am not, never going to change. Nobody will allow me to love and kiss or be with them, because my face will remain same. Either I am a child or I'll be the old one. My half face will remain same. Mr. Lamb. So you will, but the word won't. The word got a whole face, and the word there to be looked at. He said, you will not, but word will change. It has got a whole face. Do you think this is the word? This old garden. He said, you call this your old garden a word? Mr. Lamb, when I am here, not the only one, but the word, as much as anywhere. Does your leg hurt you? He said, this is the word for me. Whenever I am here, wherever I am here, that is the word for me. So Daddy asked him, does your leg hurt? Tin doesn't hurt, boy, he said. Daddy, when it came off, did it? Certainly.